Hi everyone, this is Jane here from Crystal Sparkles Readings. I'm just here to do a little bit of a craft with me. Sorry about the mess, this desk is very messy and I need to clear it up, but I haven't had time. So I made this little collage which I'm going to use throughout my, what's it called? Winter Wonderland. Mini journal. So I just used this with bits and pieces that were hanging around on my desk after I'd finished trimming up the papers to go into the thing, into the journal. So I just wanted to do a little bit of using up the scraps that were left over and kind of just doing a little bit of clearing up. So I used some of the bits here. Still got loads of bits, but these have been used up at least. So I made the collage out of the strips that were left over, just stuck some random bits and pieces on. This is for a bit of texture. It's all been covered in Mod Podge. And the reason I've covered it in Mod Podge is because I want to try and see what these look like on here, which are my Faber-Castell gelatos. And also I want to try another little idea that I've got as well. So I covered it in Mod Podge because we don't really want it to seep into the paper. It needs to be on a surface that isn't very porous. So I'm just going to have a quick look and see. Let's try the silver because we know where we are with silver. And what I tend to do with this is to just put down a little bit. And then just use my finger to rub it in. And it's just leaving a little bit of silver there. I don't really think that's leaving as much as I would like. So let me just try it over here in this corner and see what happens here. If we blend it in. Maybe I'm not going to blend it in quite as much. Doesn't seem to be staying put as much on this. I don't know whether maybe I should have used what's the other stuff called? Gesso. Maybe I should have done that. In which case, we're just going to have to shuffle along with it like this for now and see what happens. Let's try a little bit of the blue. That might work a bit better. You never know. Let's just put a blob there and see what we do with it. It's all trial and error. I'm kind of still just learning with these things. Oh, that's better. The blue works better. Weird. I don't know why the silver doesn't work so well. Really strange. Let's go down here with a bit of blue. Maybe go up there with a bit of blue and go over here with a bit of blue and see. Let's see. Yeah, the blue's definitely better. Very strange that the silver doesn't work so well, but that's okay. That's okay because I've got some silver antiquing wax which I can use instead. So we'll just stick to the blue gelato for now. Cool. I'm not sure whether to try this green on there. I'm kind of not feeling it really at the moment. So this is good, liking it. Now the other thing that I was going to do as well is these little flower things had lots of little sparkly bits on, but they've disappeared underneath the Mod Podge. So I do have some glitter glue. And what I thought I would do is to just use a brush and put some on there. So let's do it with the baby brush first of all. Just kind of put the sparkles back. I actually did this to give this a try on here, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in the light, but I've put all the sparkles on the branches of the trees, and they are there, and it looks quite cool. So I'm just going to paint some sparkles on the flowers. What I kind of like with this is you don't have to be too accurate. It doesn't matter if you kind of go off into some areas that are, because the glue itself is clear, so all you're left with when this dries is the glitter, which is really pretty. I'm actually quite pleased with it. It looks quite cool, I think. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it very clearly, but there's definitely glitter there, which looks quite fun. It's really pretty. Pretty. That looks really cool. And I do have some other colours of this, so might be tempted to try a little bit of, maybe a little bit of blue. So I do have a nice blue here that might go quite well. Let's try that. So this is blue glitter, same, the glue itself is still see-through. Let's try this on the blue areas. Yeah, it's just a little bit of blue in there. I don't know if you can see. Looks pretty. Looks really pretty. Let's just have a little bit more blue. There we go. Which one didn't I put the blue one on there? Up there, I think. That one. Cute. Bluey bits and silvery bits. So that looks fun. Now what you can also do is where you put down the gelato here, is to kind of rub them out, put a stencil over and rub them out. So just have a look to see if I've got a stencil handy that's easy to get to, whether I put them all away. Yeah, I think I put them all away. Let me just try with just a tiny little bit of like a leaf pattern, and it's just to show you. You use a wet wipe and you can just rub a little mark out. So if you've got like a little sort of snowflake shape or flower shape or something like that, you can just rub it out of there and have a little white patch. Let me just show you. Let's just put like a little bit of, all you do is just get a face wipe or a baby wipe and wipe it out. But that's not wiping out very well, so actually I think that might be ink. That would be why. Let me show you here, because I know this is gelato. So that's really cute. And we could try that down here. We've got a little bird pattern. So that's quite cute as well. Not that clear because it's a stencil, but you know, it does the trick. So that's my little collage. I will probably do some more on that. Oops, now I'm covered in glitter. Must leave it to dry. Probably got glitter all over my nose now too. So I will leave that with you for the time being. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that silver, because that didn't work at all. Oh, actually, what I might do is use this and see how this works. Let me just do a tiny little bit to just see, because this is like metallic. So, and it does smell like orange. Don't sniff this though, it's probably not good for you. Yeah, so that kind of sort of is nice and grunges things up a bit. Let's cover this up here. That was where we were trying to put it in the first place, wasn't it? Trying to avoid the ones that I've already put glitter on. I need to stick that down. So I'll just leave that to dry, but it gives a nice little silver edge. And I might do some of the other corners as well with that, just to make it look nice. Let's just get that off my hands. Probably not good to put it on your hands. Don't do what I do. I'm going to go and wash them in a minute anyway, but definitely need to stick that down. I'll wait till it's dry and then I'll stick that down. But yeah, that's my little collage that I've been working on. Hopefully you have enjoyed having a little look at that. I will be back again soon to do a little bit more. Please do like and subscribe and share and all those good things. And I will see you all again very soon. Bye for now.